We're on the record in cause number 328424, the state of Texas versus Emmanuel Walters Jr. Mr. Walters, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Walters, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Walters, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Walters?
Pretty good.
That's good. Mr. Walters, um, you are currently charged with the Class A misdemeanor assault in cause number 328424. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want to reset your case to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. If you have already hired an attorney, please inform the court of the name of the attorney, and that attorney will be contacted and given your court date. If you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, then you will be required to fill out a financial questionnaire. Or if you already have a court-appointed attorney, please inform the court, and the court will contact that court-appointed attorney and give him notice of your court date. Now, if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you must first sign a written waiver of your rights. And that written waiver is located on page 2 of the misdemeanor plea admonishment, which is State's Exhibit number 1, and it starts at the fourth sentence, and it states, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by an attorney in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And is that your desire?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, you will have an opportunity to sign this document, and then you'll be given an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case in private. And I will